In the 72 hours immediately following the homicide, Chicago Police Department members worked around the clock to gain information, review evidence, interview witnesses, and persons of interest. Thus far, a total of 4 people have been charged with first-degree murder. They are Sylvonius Shannon, Eugene Bailey, Eugene Riley, and a 16-year-old male. We are continuing to look for 3 additional people in connection with Darian's murder, and that is where we need the public's help, your help. If people are uncomfortable contacting the police, please, please, please reach out for a community leader or a clergy member. Tell a friend, tell a pastor, just please tell someone to assist us in bringing these individuals to justice. Whatever your motivation may be, the point is to contact authorities and provide us with your information that will help us bring peace to the mind for Darian's family. Our investigation continues. Area 2 detectives are canvassing the area, reviewing video evidence, and conducting additional interviews. They will continue to do this. We are also considering seeking additional charges for people who participated in the fight but did not come in contact with Mr. Albert. We should not, as a society or a community, condone or tolerate that sort of behavior in our streets. I'd like to highlight another concern I have, and this is the code of silence. This is not a time for such silence. The culture of no snitch is unacceptable. On Thursday, an innocent young man with a promising future lost his life. He lost it to senseless violence. Yet few have come forward. We must do better. This is also not a time for acts of retaliation. Do not take action on your own. Replacing one senseless act of violence with another doesn't do anyone any good. We understand the anger, but taking matters into one's own hands will just lead to more violence, more victims, more offenders, and unfortunately more funerals.